Located in the vibrant province of Tay Ninh, Pacow International has grown to become one of Vietnam's leading enterprises in cattle farming and chilled beef production since 2014. Originating from Khai Nam Processing Import-Export Private Enterprise, Pacow brings more than 20 years of expertise in cattle farming, feedlot operations, and beef production in Australia. By applying advanced European chilled meat technology to its modern production lines, Pacow delivers premium quality beef that is fresher, more tender, juicier, and richer in flavor, meeting the highest standards of taste and quality for consumers. Pacow directly imports premium European cattle breeds from Australia, including Angus, Charolais, Hereford, Droughtmaster, and Brahman. The cattle are then raised and fattened at Pacow Farm in Tay Ninh under strict farming standards to deliver high-quality chilled beef products. Using 100% natural locally sourced ingredients such as grass, rice bran, molasses, pineapple, and corn, Pacow applies its proprietary feeding formula to produce naturally aromatic and nutritious cattle feed. This contributes to the distinctive tenderness, juiciness, and rich flavor of Pacow beef. Pacow's farming facilities are specially designed to be clean, dry, well-ventilated, odor-free, and environmentally friendly, providing a comfortable and stress-free environment for the cattle. The spacious facilities allow the cattle to move freely without foot or hoof discomfort, promoting better health and well-being. As a result, the cattle develop healthy appetites, gain weight naturally, and produce beef with superior marbling, tenderness, and an attractive color. Pacow International utilizes advanced machinery and production technology imported from Europe to ensure the highest standards of food safety, hygiene, and humane slaughter practices. International certifications such as ISO 22000 demonstrate Pacow International's strong commitment to maintaining a rigorous food safety management system. Customers can place their full trust and confidence in the quality and safety of every Pacow product. By achieving the rigorous global SLP certification, Pacow International reinforces its commitment to advancing safe, sustainable, and high-quality livestock production practices. ESCAS is Australia's internationally recognised supply chain assurance system, emphasising animal welfare, full traceability, and strict compliance standards across the entire supply chain. Halal certification represents the highest standard of product integrity and purity, affirming that all production processes strictly adhere to Islamic principles and requirements. Pacow International applies a fully hygienic production process in which the products never come into contact with the ground. Slaughtering is carried out on overhead rail systems, while cutting and deboning are performed on specialized processing tables. Every stage of the process is continuously inspected and monitored by Pacow's quality management team. In addition, Pacow International applies advanced vacuum packaging technology designed to minimize microbial growth, ensuring optimal freshness, safety, and product quality. With a diverse product range, Pacow International brings consumers premium Australian beef, high-grade Australian Wagyu beef, and selected beef offal products. Pacow also offers a variety of convenient ready-to-cook items, including beef burgers, spaghetti, beef meatballs, beef short plate rolls, and delicious sausages, perfectly suited to today's fast-paced lifestyle. To enhance brand visibility and consumer engagement at retail points, Pacow International continues to expand its supermarket sampling activities. Pacow attended the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development Conference and hosted the Vice Minister at its Tay Ninh facility. You can purchase products directly through the official website, the fan page, or by visiting Pacow's official flagship store. Pacow products are also available at major supermarket chains and retail stores nationwide. Production process at Pacow International Factory. Prepare feed for the cattle. Feed mixing. Cattle feeding. Pre-slaughter showering. Humane slaughter without touching the ground. Carcass processing. Quality control. Hot water sterilization. Chilling room. Deboning and cutting area. Tray packaging. Product quality inspection. Specialized refrigerated delivery. Sterilization pond. Pacow would like to express our sincere gratitude to our valued customers and partners for your trust in our brand. Pacow International chilled beef. Freshness you can taste.